In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off easy mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll to tap on display. Now scroll again, this time to tap on easy mode option. And use this switcher next to easy mode to activate it. Then go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, simple mode was successfully enabled. If you wanna go back to the standard one, go back to the same section in settings and use the same no blue switcher. Then wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!